Hello everybody, Dal here, and today, as you see, got some grapes, a nice plexiglass container which has kept them extremely fresh for quite a while, and I recommend doing it that way, taking the stems out and everything and washing them and putting them away. That way you can eat them as you're ready for it. We've got a couple of containers of protein drink, 30 grams of protein in each one. We've got strawberries ready to go, and we've got these Naked Greens premium mixture here with nothing to hide. And then this is just another brand of this. So take a few strawberries. No, is that enough?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I think maybe I should add some more strawberries and grapes to that. Otherwise that might go a little bit too much. I didn't expect that much to come out in a clump like that. So these green things are going to make this stuff, well, it doesn't look green. So let's see if there's enough room to shake it here. There's a little bit of room. So I'm glad I didn't fill it up to the top. You're going to make this at home go a little easier on the Naked Greens. Outside of that, I don't think it's that bad. Maybe I could pour in one of my favorite drinks, which is lemonade. Add a little lemonade to this.
Sure.
We'll see how that works.
We also have this hydration multiplier.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see if the lemonade does it, and then we'll try that multiplier thing. Okay, nice and tight seal. There we are. I think that's enough of that. And still heavy on the greens. This hydration multiplier. Maybe this will be what we're looking for to round this out. And that's what it looks like, just a sort of, and this is a lemon lime flavor. It's that last time around, I think it kind of grabbed hold of the taste and corralled it and kind of redid it in a different direction.
Okay.
So I'm liking this a whole lot better than any of the other ones. And I'm thinking this, being cold, would really do the trick. I don't want the whole Twix jar to go in here. So we'll just give it a good amount of Twix. But let's see how this works. So the Twix gives it a little bit of, I wouldn't say chocolatey taste.
Okay.
This isn't bad. And like I say, this being cold would do it. So to review, we started with the grapes, the strawberries, the Naked Greens with nothing to hide, the 30 grams of protein drink. The Twix was, the hydration powder, which kind of changed it around a little bit, and then this Twix powder put the finishing touches on it. So I think the finished product here is tasteable. It's tasty. So
It's tasteable.
I wouldn't be the least bit squeamish about guzzling some of this.
Oh, you could do one with like tangerines and stuff too. You can make it like tropical.
So yeah, this product, and yeah, the tangerines, they might help. And I'm pretty good with this the way it is. Took a few tries to get it this way, but yeah. So there it is.